It's midday and we're travelling northbound along the 2-mile section from the M80 onto the M876. NH04 PMU is struggling to keep in lane. This normally involves a mobile phone, changing direction when they glance back up at the road. Sprinter-sized vans are widely used because most have a 3,500 kilo MAM. As long as they don't have a towbar fitted, they don't require a tachograph or driver's CPC training. He weaves in and out of the hard shoulder and then moves into lane 2 and back before slowing down for junction 1. Now, as I draw alongside, I see he isn't on his mobile phone. His eyes are wide open and he's having a stretch. Once past, I can see him in my mirror heading for the terribly short slip road. But then he disappeared, and in the offside mirrors I see him hit the central reserve. A few seconds later, traffic has stopped and he drives back across to the hard shoulder. In a collision, pre-tensioned twisted wire barriers deform and divert kinetic energy into the ground through the posts. Here they have performed well by preventing approximately 2,500 kilos from crossing the central reserve onto oncoming traffic and letting these road workers go home today. Most modern cars have automatic high beam technology and perform well until they blind oncoming traffic because they can't see through taller concrete barriers, and the drivers don't seem to care. But that's another discussion.